Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at WorldRemit, a leading global money transfer service. Whether you're sending money to family, paying for services abroad, or managing international business transactions, WorldRemit has become a popular choice. Let's dive in and see what makes WorldRemit a standout in the financial services world. So, what is WorldRemit? Founded in 2010, WorldRemit has revolutionized the way people send money across borders. With a mission to make money transfers more accessible and affordable, WorldRemit serves over 150 countries and supports a variety of payout methods including bank deposits, cash pickups, mobile money, and airtime top-up. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about WorldRemit and how it can help you. Setting up and getting started. Getting started with WorldRemit is straightforward. You can sign up through their website or mobile app. Let's walk through the process. Demonstration. Visit the WorldRemit website or download the app. Sign up with your email and create a password. Verify your email address. Complete your profile with personal details. Once your account is set up, you're ready to make your first transfer. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and find the services you need. Key services offered. WorldRemit offers a range of services to meet different financial needs. Here's a breakdown of their key offerings. WorldRemit serves over 150 countries and supports a variety of payout methods including bank deposits, cash pickups, mobile money, and airtime top-up. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about WorldRemit and how it can help you. Airtime top-up. Instantly top up mobile phones of your family and friends in other countries. Bill payments. Pay bills directly for your loved ones back home. Cash pickup. Recipients can collect cash from thousands of pickup locations worldwide. Segment 4. User experience and accessibility. One of WorldRemit's biggest strengths is its accessibility. Let's hear from some real users about their experiences. Testimonials. User 1 says, I use WorldRemit to send money to my family in the Philippines. It's fast and the rates are better than many other services. User 2 says, I love the mobile money feature. It's convenient for my relatives in Kenya who prefer to receive funds directly to their phones. These testimonials highlight the ease of use and reliability that WorldRemit offers. The app is designed with the user in mind, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. Transfer process and speed. Let's go through the process of making a transfer with WorldRemit. Demonstration. Select the country you want to send money to. Choose the payout method, bank deposit, cash pickup, etc. Enter the recipient's details. Input the amount you wish to send. Review the transfer details and fees. Complete the payment using your preferred method, credit card, debit card, bank transfer, etc. Transfers with WorldRemit are usually instant or take a few minutes, depending on the payout method and recipient country. This makes it an excellent option for urgent money transfers. Fees and exchange rates. Now, let's talk about costs. WorldRemit is transparent about its fees, which vary based on the destination country, payout method, and the amount sent. The exchange rates offered are competitive, and you can see the exact fees and rates before you make a transfer. Compared to traditional banks and many other money transfer services, WorldRemit often comes out on top with lower fees and better exchange rates. Always check the rates and fees on their app or website before sending money. Safety and security. Security is a crucial aspect of any financial service. WorldRemit uses high-level encryption and robust verification processes to ensure your transactions are secure. Additionally, they are regulated by various financial authorities worldwide, which adds an extra layer of trust. Customer support and availability. WorldRemit offers 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and live chat. Their support team is known for being responsive and helpful, ready to assist with any issues or questions you might have. Real-world application and use cases. WorldRemit's versatility makes it suitable for various real-world applications. Whether you're supporting family members, paying for education, or handling business transactions, WorldRemit can be a reliable partner. Pros and cons. To wrap up, let's look at the pros and cons of WorldRemit. Pros: wide range of payout options, competitive fees and exchange rates, fast and reliable transfers, user-friendly app and website, strong security measures, excellent customer support. Cons: fees can vary significantly based on destination and payout method. Some payout methods may take longer depending on the recipient's location. Overall, WorldRemit is a powerful and versatile money transfer service that offers great value for both personal and business users. Conclusion. In conclusion, WorldRemit is a robust platform for international money transfers, offering convenience, speed, and security. If you're looking for a reliable way to send money abroad, WorldRemit is definitely worth considering. Have you used WorldRemit? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.